Hey everybody, Andrew Groh here with MOCPA Bar Talk, and we're here again today talking with Dr. Stein Smith, aka Dr. Blockchain. Welcome back, Dr. Stein Smith. And we did want to chat just a little bit about a really interesting new development in blockchain technology space that has to do with central banks and blockchain. Can you share a little bit about what you're seeing and hearing in this space right now?
Yeah, sure. And so this whole new trend, new development out there has been sort of, I say, bubbling up for the last 24 to 18 months, right? But it's really gotten turbocharged over the last year or so. And to sort of boil it down, it's the idea that a central bank or a country will actually develop its own blockchain and then actually have its own currency running on that blockchain, or to basically create a crypto fiat hybrid. And so while interesting, it's also interesting to understand that. So this is the complete opposite of the idea of Bitcoin, right? This totally open source model with no oversight, controls, backing, all the rest. And now, from 2008 until 2020, the whole conversation has changed completely. Now there are actual nation states and banks at those nation states building out their own blockchains and then trying to merge their current fiat currencies with this whole idea of a government issued crypto asset. And I do think that on top of being interesting from just a operational point of view, it also points to really how blockchain and how the conversation on blockchain has really pivoted away from just Bitcoin and other crypto to really more on the applications, on companies actually using it for enterprise use and enterprise applications. And so it's really interesting. It's a hot topic, and it is, I think, something anybody in accounting or finance has to know more about.
Yeah, and that's super cool. So project out a little bit, because that would be a paradigm shift, right, in the way that financial transactions may look and feel and move across different entities. What might some of the implications of something like that be for CPAs in the future?
Yeah, and I would say that there were big implications of this, right, from a consumer privacy angle one, from a bank to settlement angle two, right? Meaning that if banks are using crypto to crypto, then there are no outstanding balances, there are no compensating balances, bank recs aren't needed anymore because it's all done on a continuous basis. And so from a audit and a accounting point of view, I would say that it's really the prime example of how big a change and how big an impact blockchain and crypto moving out of the fringe into the mainstream, out of the sort of interesting to the almost mandatory to be aware of, is going to impact everybody from audit, tax, advisory, and folks working in business and in industry.
Yeah, thanks, Dr. Stein Smith. And another great example of kind of a business, industry, government idea and maybe trajectory that may have a massive impact in the future on the way that our profession operates. If you like this topic and want to hear more from Dr. Stein Smith, make sure to check out MOCPA Bar Talk episode 7, and we'll see you there.